Lights, camera, action.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Aesthetic Ify here, back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my knotless medium box braids. I'm going to show you how I do that, and you guys are going to watch me and how I do that. So I've already blow dried my hair. I've already lined my hair because I can do it myself. I'm going to bring out the products in which I'm going to be using in this video. I'm going to be using this actually for my hair because it doesn't work on my edges. Like, I don't even know why. So I'm going to use it to hold my hair during this process. And of course, we need a very big rubber band to pack my hair and a comb to comb it. And also the final product, the hair itself. So I decided to go with red this time around because I seriously have been wanting to try red in a very long time. So I'm going to try red, and I actually bought two. So hopefully it's enough for my hair. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the video because I seriously need to finish this video by 6 o'clock today, and today it's currently 5:58 on Saturday. So I seriously need to like get started and finish his hair. So we're gonna get into it. So I look like a mess right now. Like, really, I look like a mess. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I have all this part of my face, and it's because I'm on my period. So we're gonna get started. So this is my hair. Yeah, it's a mess right now. I know. Okay, so since it's knotless, I have to start with the hair and divide it into smaller parts actually, but I don't have the braids divider thing they use on TikTok. I don't have that, so I'm gonna put it on my table in front of me. So I'm just gonna do that and fast forward this process. So I'm just going to tie this up like this. Just going to tie it up and throw it one side. So this is my hair. As you can see, it's all lined up, and I wanted, like I said, I wanted a medium knotless braids. So of course, let's remove the rubbers. So before I get started, actually, because it's a bit boring just sitting down here all alone and like doing my braids, so I'm just going to put on like a movie show. Actually, I watched 6th Sense, so I'm just gonna put that on so it won't be boring for me. Give me a moment. We're going to have a new episodes because we're boring without this. Okay, they do have a new episode, but I can't watch it for some reason. So I'm just going to go watch Busted on Netflix. Okay, yes. So what I'm going to watch in Busted, it's a Korean show, so I'm just gonna put that on. I'm in episode 2, so I'm just gonna put that on, and we're gonna get officially start this video. So I am going to turn this way, and I'm going to remove the hair. I look dumb. I know I look dumb. So I'm going to start with braiding a little bit, and then I'm going to take this actually, and I'm going to braid it with it. Once you get to the braid you finally like, you can keep braiding to the end. Wait, am I recording? Please tell me I'm recording, cause okay. I actually want this very long because I don't want it short, so I'm going to add a little bit of hair at the end to make it longer than it is. So I'm just going to divide this into two and actually place it in here and then braid it to make it longer. Okay, so I didn't finish it because I got tired of doing this, but this is how it looks like, and this is where this is how long it is. Like, I'm gonna show you at the end of the video how long it is, but this is how long I want it to be. I'm gonna continue the process all over again till we are done with this hair. And I forgot how crazy I looked. Dang, I look crazy. Do I like this color? I don't know yet. Time will tell. So we are going to continue this, and I'm just going to speed it up so that you guys won't get bored while I'm here getting myself bored. So we're just going to speed this up, and I'm going to see you guys in a bit when I'm done with at least the bottom part of my hair. So just gonna keep going. So I'm actually done with 3 of them, and it's like after 1. So I'll actually have to do this off camera, and I'm going to come back after I'm done with like almost half of this hair. So I'm going to see you guys then. Hey guys, so I'm back, and it's kind of dark in here, so my seem a little bit dark or somehow. So it's currently right now it's 3:56, and this is how far I've gone. It's not much, and I said I have to finish before 6, so I might have to put like an all-nighters on this hair, but we'll see how it goes. So this is how much I have left, and it's quite much, but it's a process that I'm actually liking. I don't know, but you have to try the process, right? So I'm going to continue making it, and hopefully we can finish by the end of the day. I'll continue, and I'm going to speed it up. So let's go. I just finished one, and if I am actually doing this on camera, I'm much more slower than I am like doing it off camera. So if I seriously want to like finish this up today, I have to do it like really off camera. So I'm going to come back here to give you guys updates on where I am. So I will see you then. Hey guys, so I'm finally done with my hair, and it's literally 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm just gonna go sleep because it's early in the morning. I just get I'm just gonna sleep for like some few hours, and then I'm gonna come back and finish up this hair because the ends are not looking good right now. So I'm going to look for a way to finish up the ends, and then we're gonna finish this video. So I'm going to see you guys in a few hours. So hey guys, it's in the morning. You can hear like some background noise, but ignore it for now. So it's in the morning. Did I sleep at all? No, I did not. I couldn't sleep. So we're just going to finish this video. So here is the result of my hair from last night. So what I want to do with the hands is I want to curl it. I want to curl the ends. So after that, and I'm going to do some other things with it, and then I'm going to do my makeup, and then we'll end the video. So without talking any further, I'm going
hope you guys enjoy watching this. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and suggest any kind of video which you want me to do next. So I seriously enjoy making this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.